Alright, next we're going to look at is copy. The command for copy is cp. Let's remember that the folders we have are 5th, 1st, 4th, and 3rd. When you do copy, the difference between copy and remove is copy takes a document or a folder from one location to another and still retains the same a copy of it in the previous place. So now for copying of folder, we use the minus arrow flag. Let's just take a look at minus arrow flag. I want to copy the 5th into the 4th. So I do 5th. First, let's be sure that there is nothing in the 4th. ls 4th. You see that there is no folder, there is nothing inside of the 4th. So now I do my cp minus r 5th 4th. Okay, I do ls again. I still have all folders as it's supposed to be, and then I do ls 4th. Now my 5th is there. Therefore means I now have 5th in both places, in the 4th directory and in my desktop. Okay, so we've been able to see, we've seen the move, we've seen the copy. Now let's look at remove. We use the remove rm to delete a file or folder. I want to delete the 5th from the 4th, or let me delete, yes, let me delete Linus from the 1st. We had Linus here. So if I want to delete Linus from the 1st, this is not supposed to work just with the rm alone. First, okay, it is a directory, so I have to use my rf to remove folder. Alright, so now let's see the 1st. It's off there. Let's check the different flags for help. Okay, so we see that we use the minus R flag to remove directories and their content recursively, and then this is a false. So I could have as well used just the R, but I didn't want to do it twice, so I decided to use my RF. If there is anything that is trying to stop it from getting deleted, the RF helped me to do that, to handle that aspect. Okay. Now let's see how to create we've seen how to create a file, a folder rather, that's a directory. Let's now see how to create a file using the touch. Okay, let me go into the 5th, cd 5th. I want to create a file, let me say tutorial.txt. Remember, I can create series of files just like this. New doc again .docx tests.python. and then if I ls, if I create my list, you can see all of the files that I created. So this is the way to create a file. But if I want to create a file in such a way that I want to add content into the file immediately, then I open a file with my nano editor, nano, the file name, which I would still want to use the txt extension, text file .txt. Now in here I can type anything I want. Okay, then I'm going to save it using a Control O. This is what it says, Control O to write out. I already have my file name and I press enter, and then I exit it. But I'll show Nano how to use Nano in a different video. But for this video, we're going to wrap it up with this for now. Thanks for watching.